It is possible to edit, download, and convert Microsoft Office files in Google Slides. You can do this by using Office Compatibility Mode via a Chrome extension or by converting your file to Google Slides. To use Office Compatibility Mode, you will first need to install the Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, you will then be able to open any Microsoft PowerPoint document and edit it. You will know that you can edit by clicking the File menu of the opened spreadsheet. If you see Office Compatibility Mode in that menu, you are clear to edit. The other option in editing PowerPoint files is to convert them to Google Slides format. You can learn how to do this by clicking the File menu and selecting Convert to Google Slides. To download a PowerPoint document, open the unconverted file and then click the Download button in the top right corner. When using Office Compatibility Mode, there is a Share button in the top right corner. However, when you click this button, you will be asked to convert the file to Google Slides, and then you will be able to share and collaborate with others. Congratulations! You now know how to work with Microsoft PowerPoint files using Google Slides.